Hi guys, it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon and I feel like eating some party drop donuts. And guess what? They are so easy to put together within 20 minutes. Party drop donuts are so soft, milky, delicious, and they literally just melt in your mouth. Are you a lover of donuts? Stay tuned. Let me show you how to make these delicious donuts in little or no time. Are you ready? Let's dive in. So for this recipe, we need half a cup of oil. We need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of grated nutmeg, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 large eggs, half cup of sugar, and a cup of evaporated milk. So these are all the ingredients we need for this recipe. Let's dive straight into the procedure. So into a mixing bowl, we start by mixing our dry ingredients. So we pour in our 3 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by our baking powder, nutmeg, and finally the salt. So we proceed to mix our dry ingredients together. Please check the description box below for a detailed list of all measurements. So we gently mix our dry ingredients and then we set that aside. And into another bowl, we are going to mix the wet ingredients. So into a bowl, we add in the eggs, followed by the sugar, followed by the evaporated milk, and lastly, the vegetable oil. So we stir all this to combine. Please kindly give this video a like. That is so important to me. It will help YouTube to share this video to the right people. Why not leave a comment in the comment section? Let me know your impression about this recipe. So at this point, we are going to combine both dry and wet ingredients. So we are going to pour our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and still using our whisk, we are going to mix everything together. If it's your first time stopping by here, you're most welcome. Hit the subscribe button below to join this amazing community where we share recipes, health tips, as well as weight loss tips. So you keep mixing till you achieve a light dropping consistency. If it's too heavy, you add in some water, and if it's too light, go in with a little bit of flour. So this is the consistency we are looking for. Our butter is ready for frying. Just see how beautiful our butter looks already. So at this point, we set aside our butter and we proceed to heat up some oil for deep frying. So your oil has to be at least an inch above your pan level. And we are frying on a medium-low heat. So I'll gently grab the butter with the tip of my fingers and drop in the oil. Use whatever method is convenient for you. This method is just the best for me. You can as well use even an ice cream scoop. So just keep dropping till you're able to feel the surface of the oil, but do not overcrowd the pan. So after dropping, you go ahead to stir from time to time till you are able to achieve that golden brown color. Yes, that perfect golden brown color. This can actually take about 5 to 7 minutes. And yes, once you achieve this color, know your donuts are ready. So it's time to just take them out of the oil and place on an absorbent paper towel to drain out any excess oil. And that's just it, guys. Our donuts are ready. Thanks so much for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.